Hello everybody, this is a paper by one of your classmates. Her name is Michelle, and she has agreed to let me share her paper with you because it's really good. And I'm going to make this larger so you can see better. So first of all, look at her heading. She has her name, my name, the name of the class, and then the date in the format that it should be in. Stereotypes and Restraint is the title. There are no quotes around it or anything, and it doesn't say assignment 4. It's an actual title. If we take a look here in I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings and The Myth of the Latin Woman, both Momma and Cofer responded to disrespectful antics through the most admirable way, which was restraint. Very strong. Sorry about the phone, that was my sister. You know how they are. Just kidding. Alright, anyway. I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings. It's in italics, it's a book. The Myth of the Latin, it's an article, it's in quotes. And then she noticed that in her topic sentence she refers to Momma and both Cofer. So your readers know, oh, Momma came from this book and Cofer came from the article. Give your readers everything they need to know right away. And then here she goes through, and here she puts the quote, however, despite the degradation from the children, Momma sang on, no louder than before. Her quote flows really well into her own words, which is great. Notice that there's no period here. The period comes after the citation. This way your reader knows that Angelou 30 is the page that this came from, and it goes with the quote. Then let's keep going. Notice that she uses high-level sentence structure as well. Semicolon, therefore. This is a compound sentence using a conjunctive adverb. Then she goes on in, and then down here she says, similarly, good transition. Now she's transitioning over to the next topic, which is who? Cofer. Then she goes about talking about Cofer. You can read this on your own. I don't want to read it out loud to you, but it's really well done. Let's keep going down here. Again, no period after pool. She put it after the citation, so it comes from Cofer, page 235. Now take a look. If it's a page number, you just put the number. If you're getting it from the internet and it's a paragraph, you would have to say Cofer, PAR, period, 235. Or paragraph 5, paragraph 6, wherever it comes from. Again, Momma, on the other hand, excellent transition. I know she's coming into the contrast. Keep reading this, keep reading. Unlike Momma, another transition. This is flowing well. Due to this, comma, another transition. It's flowing well. And then here, in the end, regardless of the overall context they lived in, Momma and Cofer both displayed admirable restraint and maturity when dealing with the uncivil conducts they received from other individuals. This closing is really good. Why? It summarizes the main points, and this whole paragraph was about two women, Momma and Cofer, so she restated that for the readers. So make sure your closing ties everything together well. And then down here, let's take a look at her works cited. Works cited, Angelou, good. Book is in italics. You do not need The City. Then Random House 2009. Some people are putting 1969. I don't like that. That is not, I'm sure that's not the edition of the book you have. Here, Cofer, notice it's in alphabetical order. This is the article. Where is the article from? It's from our Patterns book, which is an anthology. So the title of the book is in italics. Since it's an anthology, these editors have taken a bunch of different articles, like Cofer's, and put them into a book. So they edited it. She's using the 12th edition of the book. This is the publisher, the publishing date, and notice he has PP period in all pages of the article listed. You just don't write P period 233 if that's the only page you used. You have to quote all the pages in the article. So overall, her paper was really good. If you have any questions, let me know. I think this is a great example. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you all. Bye.